2 headphones, 2 sound experiences, find the one that feels right every day. Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In today's video, we're comparing the KVIDIO WH201A and BERIBES WH202A headphones to see which is the better choice. We'll break down sound quality, comfort, battery life, durability, and user-friendly features to help you decide. Let's get started. Comparative analysis. The KVIDIO WH201A features a lightweight over-ear design with a simple plastic frame and foldable structure aimed at portability and daily casual use. In contrast, the BERIBES WH202A also uses a plastic-based build, but offers a more refined foldable design with improved cushioning and a slightly more modern aesthetic finish. The KVIDIO WH201A delivers a balanced stereo sound with 40mm drivers, focusing on clear vocals and decent bass suitable for general music listening. Meanwhile, the BERIBES WH202A uses enhanced dual 40mm drivers with a wider frequency range, up to 30 kHz, producing deeper bass and more detailed highs with support for multiple EQ modes. The KVIDIO WH201A is designed for lightweight comfort with soft ear cushions, suitable for long listening sessions, though the clamping force can feel slightly noticeable over time. On the other hand, the BERIBES WH202A prioritizes comfort with softer padding, adjustable headband, and a lighter overall feel, making it slightly better for extended use. Both the KVIDIO WH201A and BERIBES WH202A offer wireless Bluetooth connectivity, along with a 3.5mm AUX option for wired listening. The KVIDIO WH201A provides around 50 to 55 hours of playback, while the BERIBES WH202A extends this further to up to 65 hours, making it better for heavy users. The KVIDIO WH201A focuses on simplicity with basic onboard controls and long battery life. It has less customizable listening profiles for different music styles. In contrast, the BERIBES WH202A stands out with 6 EQ sound modes, better microphone clarity, foldable portability, and more customizable listening profiles for different music styles. The KVIDIO WH201A was launched in March 2021 and is priced around $25 to $40, reflecting its simple, reliable feature set focused on long battery life and basic wireless performance. The BERIBES WH202A launched in July 2022 and costs about $30 to $50, reflecting its extra features like EQ modes and longer battery life. The KVIDIO WH201A is best suited for users who want simple, long-lasting headphones for music, calls, and casual daily use. The BERIBES WH202A is better for users who prefer customizable sound, longer battery life, and a slightly more feature-rich experience for entertainment and travel use. Technical specifications. Like, share, and subscribe. Gadgeto Lab has plenty more smart tech comparisons and reviews coming your way, so don't miss what's next.